Let's check these indices out. Question 34, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. We have been given exponential equation of if 8 exponent x on 2 as a fraction is equals to, into bracket, the root of 2 all raised to the power 3 on 8 as a fraction times 4 raised to the power 3 on 2 as a fraction. We have to find the value of what? X. Now, if you look at these carefully, these numbers can all be reduced to base 2, meaning 2 times 2 times 2 give you 8. Therefore, 2 exponent of 3 give you the value of 8, still having the exponent x on what? 2 equals to. This is already base 2, but the root can be taken as a power of half, meaning 2 exponent of half give you the expression the root 2. Then we still have 3 on 8 times 2 exponent of 2 raised to the power 3 on what? 2. So now we have the same base. We can only simplify the powers. Remembering that if I can do a recall, if I have a exponent of m raised to the power n in this form, as you can see here, this is the a m n. What happened is that we only multiply the exponent, that is the m times n. Same will happen here. So this is a whole number 3. This is a fraction. So 3 times x on 2, the 3 multiply the numerator alone. So this is going to be 2 exponent of 3x on 2 equals to 2 exponent of half times 3 on 8. 1 times 3, 2 times 8. That will give you 3 on 16 times 2 exponent of 2 times 3 on 2, which will give you 6 on 2, which still become what? 3. So I am going to have what? 3. Now, we can see that the left side, the right side is still having some laws to deal with. Multiplication law, meaning I maintain the left. 2 exponent of 3x on 2 equals to 2 exponent 3 on 16 plus what? 3. Remember the law. If the base are the same and they are multiplying, you add the exponent. Now, since we have equal base on both sides of the equal sign, base 2, it also means that the exponents are the same. So there's a particular value of x. When you replace that with, it will be equal to this arithmetic. So we just pick the top. So we equate the exponent. That means that I have 3x on 2 equals to 3 on 16 plus what? 3. Now, I can have this as a linear equation. This is multiply this by this. Let's see, we have 3 on 16 plus, if you multiply this, you should have, what do you have? 48 still divided by what? 16. 48 divided by 16 give you 3. So I'm only making it to have the same denominator. So I can easily say that I have 3x on 2 equals to the same base denominators. We add the numerators, 51 divided by what? 16. But what can I do from here? I can multiply both sides by what? 16 as the LCM. So 16 here, 2 can go here, 8. 8 times 3 will give me 24x equals to what? 51. Therefore, x is 51 on what? 24. X will be equals to, let's put it here first. If we can see 5 plus 1 is 6, meaning 3 can divide it. This plus this is 6. 3 can be a factor. So 3 go here, 17. Then 3 go here, what? 8. So x will be equals to 2 whole number, 1 on what? 8. I don't have enough space, but I'm sure you get the concept of what we are doing. So if you work through applying the rules and the principles, you come back to 2 whole number, 1 on 8. So which option? I think that will be the option A as the preferred one. I guess you followed with all that we have done. Like the video, share it with somebody to also benefit, and subscribe if you have not.